Hello and welcome back to Creations by Kim, and we're going to play with some more paint and everything. I have went ahead and pre-mixed some colors here. Let's see, get these out here. I have, let's see, I figured out I was flipping it the wrong way. I don't know if you can see that. It's Admiral Blue from Apple Barrel. And I have, let's see, Ivory, also from Apple Barrel. And then this one is a Craft Smart, and it's a more of a metallic, if you can see that. Oops, found the color here. Which I can't read on the bottle because it's in glare. What is it? Oh, Aquamarine. It's at the top of the bottle. So, and then I switched mediums. I'm using Floetrol this go round, see how I like it. And in mixing up my paints, this is what I had mixed the other day and used. And it's the Admiral Blue, but you can see what it was before, and the Floetrol has a white color to it, and so it actually kind of dilutes out the color and lightens it up a bit, which I really like that, because this blue came out really dark on the other painting I did with that color. So anyway, I kind of like that, and so after it lightened up I changed my color tones, and we're just gonna, I'm not for sure if I want to do a clean pour or a dirty pour, what I'm gonna do here. So I think I'm gonna start with I think we'll just do a dirty pour. And like I said, I already mixed these and everything. I'm trying to figure out which colors I want first in there. I've pre-treated my canvas with gesso. I'm not going to paint it white this time. It seemed to flow better, at least in my experiments so far. You know what, let's do this one on top. I'm figuring out the one you want to come out on top, you're going to put in the cup first. Got a lot of air bubbles in there. Hopefully that doesn't mix it up too bad. And I did not add any silicone to this mix. Let's go a little round too here. That'll give me some leftovers, which I just mixed colors there. It's not cool, because I have to learn how to do color finger swapping. There we go. Get the color tones on the fingers. I figured this YouTube channel would either be a nice little hobby or to be a hilarious comedy show. So, you know, we'll just go from there. Looks like I've got probably about 4 ounces in the cup there. And let's flip it over and see what we do. And I noticed, I don't know if you noticed that or not before, I used the thumbtacks to keep it off the thing so the paint can drip off. Right now I haven't worried about the leveling, but it just dawned on me, these do kind of look like the beach scene colors that you see people do. I don't know that I'm brave enough to attempt that yet, so we'll just wait and see how this goes. Also thought about doing the swirl, but I don't know how steady my hand is today, so, or how good I am at doing swirls. We'll play with that maybe next time. I do have leftover paint. Maybe the next go round we'll try that. I should have started over here and drug it. That would have been neat. How about? That kind of looks neat. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. I'm definitely seeing the Floetrol does make cells a lot better, larger. It's going to start running off the side over there. Okay, just going off of my other paintings, which I may pull out and do a comparison here in a minute. None of my other ones have this large of cells. Wish I could keep that. Ooh, I know. Get my flamethrower. Let that sit a second. I just have an old handheld lighter torch. Let's see if we can't get it to maybe you can dry the surface and hold the cells. Maybe help me keep some of it. I like how that's spreading out there. And we're going to start losing some of my design. That's where I need music in there, huh? Maybe I'll learn to do that later on. Dip in the corners. Help me get some coverage there. Here we are. I do like the cell growth on that one. Yeah, I think I'm definitely sold on the Floetrol versus the regular medium from Liquitex. So anyway, I think I'm happy with that. I really like that. And then I've got more cells popping up. I like it. I think I'm going to go with that. Just clean off the bottom. There we go. Very cool. Clean off the hands. Alright, I'm going to call that a wrap. Thanks for watching Creations by Kim. Be sure to like and share and everything. Get it out there. Get me some subscribers and followers. And we'll see y'all next go round. Thanks for joining me. Bye.